Welcome to General Knowledge Quiz, Tips, and Tricks channel. Let's start with the quiz number 11, that will help you gain knowledge. Let's see if you answer all correct, then you are a genius. Comment below and let us know how many answers you got it right. Question 1. Who was the winner of Chess World Cup 2019? Here are your options. Option 1, Yu Yanji. Option 2, Timur Rajabov. Option 3, Ding Liren. Or, Option 4, Maxime Vachier-Lagrave. The correct answer is, Option 2, Timur Rajabov. Next question. Question 2. What is the national flower of Portugal? Here are your options. Option 1, lavenders. Option 2, morning glories. Option 3, roses. Or, Option 4, water lilies. The correct answer is, Option 1, lavenders. Next question. Question 3. Which type of crop is cotton? And the options are: Option 1, food crops. Option 2, horticulture crops. Option 3, plantation crops. Or, Option 4, cash crops. And the answer is, Option 4, cash crops. Next question. Question 4. Who is the best Formula 1 driver as of 2019? Here are your options. Option 1, Max Verstappen. Option 2, Lewis Hamilton. Option 3, Charles Leclerc. Or, Option 4, Carlos Sainz. The correct answer is, Option 2, Lewis Hamilton. Next question. Question 5. Who invented smallpox vaccine? And the options are: Option 1, Dr. John Feuchter. Option 2, Dr. John Hunter. Option 3, Dr. Edward Jenner. Option 4, Dr. John Clinch. The correct answer is, Option 3, Dr. Edward Jenner. Next question. Question 6. How many countries were involved in World War II? Here are your options. Option 1, 27 countries. Option 2, 29 countries. Option 3, 30 countries. Or, Option 4, 32 countries. The correct answer is, Option 3, 30 countries. Next question. Question 7. What comet passed very close to Earth in 1996? And the options are: Option 1, Comet Hyakutake. Option 2, Halley's Comet. Option 3, Comet Borrelli. Or, Option 4, 81P Wild Comet. And the answer is, option 1, comet Hyakutake. Next question. Question 8. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? Here are your options. Option 1, Dalmatian pelican. Option 2, Cinereous vulture. Option 3, ostrich. Or, option 4, southern cassowary. The correct answer is, option 3, ostrich. Next question. Question 9. How many verses are there in Bhagavad Gita? And the options are: option 1, 500 verses. Option 2, 700 verses. Option 3, 1000 verses. Or, option 4, 1450 verses. And the answer is, option 2, there are 700 verses in Bhagavad Gita. Next question. Question 10. Which color is formed by mixing red and blue? Here are your options. Option 1, pink. Option 2, white. Option 3, cyan. Or, option 4, magenta. The correct answer is, option 4, magenta. Next question. Question 11. How many active volcanoes are there in Indonesia? And the options are: option 1, 10. Option 2, 52. Option 3, 127. Or, option 4, 79. And the answer is, option 3, 127. As of 2012, Indonesia has 127 active volcanoes. Next question. Question 12. Which is the top most prescribed medication in the world? Here are your options. Option 1, Synthroid, levothyroxine. Option 2, Lyrica, pregabalin. Option 3, Nexium, esomeprazole. Or, option 4, Spirovihandy Holler, Sheotropium. The correct answer is, option 1, Synthroid, levothyroxine. Next question. Question 13. Who won the Best Actress Award at Oscars 2020? And the options are: option 1, Cynthia Erivo. Option 2, Scarlett Johansson. Option 3, Renee Zellweger. Or, option 4, Charlize Theron. And the answer is, option 3, Renee Zellweger. Next question. Question 14. At what temperature does water boil? Here are your options. Option 1, 98 degrees Celsius. Option 2, 99 degrees Celsius. Option 3, 100 degrees Celsius. Or, option 4, 101 degrees Celsius. The correct answer is option 3, 100 degrees Celsius. Next question. Question 15. Who is the leading importer of apples? And the options are: option 1, India. Option 2, United States of America. Option 3, Hong Kong. Or, option 4, Germany. And the answer is, option 4, Germany, is the leading importer of apples.
Thanks for watching our channel. We will bring more educational videos soon, so please subscribe to our channel for notifications and share with your family and friends.